Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can reverse a video in CapCut. This is actually super simple. So a new project and select the video you want to reverse. I'm just going to again mute it, and also I'm just going to delete the beginning part. And to reverse the video, I'm just going to delete this. I am going to select the video and just like slide it all the way to the left until you find this reverse button right here, and just wait for it to reverse. And then I am just going to make it full screen, and then the video has been reversed. That is actually super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer all of them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!